Please tell us who you are, what problem your company is solving, and where you see your company growing to fit the changing needs in this space.
Our company, Reciprocity Health, has a platform called TheraPay, which is trying to take head on the issue that so many clinical solutions really suffer from low adoption and adherence to their programs. So we've built a program that accelerates adoption and adherence to any sort of care intervention or clinical program, chronic condition management program, using CMS field tested and proven effectiveness of financial incentives. So we build an overlay of communications and financial incentives that will draw people towards their care. Our app is a roadmap for these rewards and draws people towards their care, especially those most vulnerable populations that are really tough to reach in the Medicaid and Medicare populations.
Provide us with an overview of your go-to-market strategy, highlighting the key steps and approaches you plan to take to achieve success in your target market.
So our primary go-to-market strategy initially was focused around Medicaid MCOs and trying to tackle the legacy problem there of the very hard to reach population. In that space, we put in our efforts to start with pilot programs that could prove our efficacy. We're able to show some early wins and tripling primary care visits and really improving adherence to chronic condition care programs. And so that really allowed us to bring that data into a broader set, into the Medicare space, into at-risk health systems as well. So we're really expanding both internally with our payer programs, adding more condition-specific programming there, but then also going into these other verticals, health systems specifically.
But what's been the most challenging aspect of getting to where you are today, and how did you overcome that?
For us, our value proposition is different for every potential client, since we use our advanced financial incentives management platform to accelerate the performance of any given clinical program. For one client, we're having a conversation about high-risk maternal health, and another it's about diabetes management, and another is about preventive care. And so we need to find a way into that conversation where we're hearing about the challenges that they have even before we're presenting the solution. And then also sort of addressing the complexity of what the results of our success look like. For some people, they're really targeted on improved quality scores. It might be reduced cost and utilization. It might be higher retention or higher revenue. So all of that complexity and just describing exactly how we're going to move the needle for a particular client leads to a front end of the conversation that's probably a bit more burdensome than the norm.